Good morning, everybody. It's Paula from Paula's Primary Classroom, getting ready for Halloween. Yesterday, I told you a little bit about jump tales and gave you examples of a couple of my favorite jump tales. This is a great scary story genre for Halloween time, which I love to do with my kiddos. Today, I'm going to talk you through a couple of pointers that have helped me to do a better job with jump tales with my kids. The first thing is that if you're working with really young kiddos, you need to warn them ahead of time. The intensity of the feelings at that jumping moment at the end can set little people off crying. But if they know it's coming, they seem to do a lot better with it. So I explained to my kiddos that it's called a jump tale, that it's going to make us jump at the end, and that then we're going to laugh because it's funny after we've jumped. So we use our hands and we show big and loud, and we show getting smaller and quieter because it helps the kiddos to do those actions. Tomorrow, I'll do one with